build a PVC woodwind instrument. It's really kind of like a recorder. Alright, there's three pieces to this thing. We got the sort of short piece of PVC that acts as a kind of a lock to the rest of the system. This piece of wood that's kind of like a cork, and the PVC pipe with a notch and holes. In this version, we're going to use 3/4 inch PVC thin wall. This is 1/16 inch wall, and a piece of 7/8 inch dowel rod. So first we're going to cut the wood. Just cut a length, I don't know, a few centimeters. We're trying to do this as ninja as possible. So here's your flat piece of wood. Now we want to cut a small piece of PVC, roughly the same length as that. So and in the longer pipe, I don't know, what length should we have? All right. Now take the piece of small PVC and using these snippers just slice a hole. Now these kind of act as jaws, and they'll open and close on this piece. Now for cutting the ridge, which remember looks kind of like this, we're going to use the snips again. We want the ridge to go, when the piece of wood is flush at the end, the ridge should be a few centimeters, actually a few millimeters wider to open up. So go ahead and get your pencil, mark there, and we really want the hole to be probably about this wide. You can move this forward and back a little bit once it's built to calibrate, or to really set up good. But yeah, so we're going to cut a little past this line, but this is the line where we really want our hole to be. I'm going to just take the snips and snip to that point. Oh man. So not a bad pull. Go ahead and push that down. Give us a little bit of lift in our sound. You want to get that flush, or slightly more than flush. And that should be all the pieces. Now, your piece of wood, try to find the cleanest edge you have, and that edge should be up on the opening. It's just airflow is smoother with clean edges. And we put the wood piece in and the PVC jaws. Gonna go over that end. This is probably the only hard part. There you go. Now, probably set everything flush at first. So, there we go, and see if it plays. Not bad. You can move this forward or backwards, see what happens. I'm now moving the wood closer to the edge. Got a little higher pitch. Let's move it out a bit. See what happens. So really just find the sound you like the best. It's the only advice I can give. Because at this point, this is, once you've built your own, this is your own musical instrument. now the gap's really big. And as the gap gets bigger, the tone is getting somewhat lower. And now we'll go to the drill press and just give ourselves some holes. So you probably want to be in line with this PVC. These holes don't have to be very exacting unless you really are looking for proper Western notes, which I certainly am not. I'm going to close this gap a bit.